Hello.
Finally,
Finally,
we have to whisper because we are at a what?
we are
We are not gonna promote it.
we are in a secluded area. थोड़ा close होना पड़ेगा एक दूसरे को सुनने को.
Yes.
ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर सकते loudly.
Okay.
But welcome to episode 3 of Conversation Express. Today we're gonna talk about the balance of the inevitable 9 to 5. Now, what is 9 to 5?
It's a very hectic job actually. To be
Yeah.
very honest.
Yes.
For people like us in a creative field, we cannot do 9 to 5.
We cannot do 9 to 5.
Abhi
Really.
dekh lo, like we are over hours working.
Yeah.
So yeah, not for us.
Yeah, 9 to 5 is not for us, but in the title 9 to 5, I'm thinking of it as a metaphor too. 9 to 5 is
Oh.
in term just a hectic job, something that takes too much. It just like sucks life out of you. But it is the balance of the inevitable, as in that I believe we all are gonna get there one day. We are all are heading towards a path which will lead to us being, let's just say, slaves, corporate slaves to an
Oh, we
extent.
should not be saying that. I mean, yeah.
I
I mean,
believe-
it's not a problem. I think a lot of this Instagram people make it like it's a problem.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
not
yeah.
everybody wants to do something,
Hmm.
doing like a business or something. It's very
Yeah,
difficult. Like you have to work over hours.
Yeah,
I don't think it's not meant for everybody to do business.
So this episode we're going to talk about work, rest, and the meaning of it all, but through the perspective and eyes of two first year students, and let's see how it matters. So work, what all work have we been up to this entire day?
Okay, what?
What work have we both have been up to?
Uh, we are trying to shoot this video. ठीक है?
Trying.
हम सुबह से लग रहा है ये शूट करने की कोशिश कर. कल का शूट बहुत अच्छा गया. But आज like everything went wrong. हमने जो सोच सकते थे उसके against ही गया सब कुछ.
Yeah.
Like trying to shoot early morning couldn't happen. Trying to shoot in college, lights नहीं मिली. Wire भूल गए. Like everything went wrong, but still we are trying. We are trying to finish this, and I think we are doing more than 9 to 5 right now.
Yeah, we're doing more than 9 to 5, definitely. Work. Oh, work. What can I say about work? Everybody has to work, right?
Yes, of course.
Everybody has to work.
Everybody's work is difficult.
Everybody's work is definitely difficult. But to be honest, it is a toxic culture that is pushed upon a lot of
Yes.
people. Let's just talk about that. About how working is treated as if you do not work, nothing is going to happen. We've all heard the quote, work smart, not hard. What do you say about that?
Work hard and not smart.
Work smart, not
Work
hard.
smart, not hard.
Yeah, what do you think about that? What does it try to say?
Yeah, of course. I think this works on businessmen more. I think they work smart by making other people work.
Yeah.
I think it's cool. That's
That
very
is,
interesting.
in my opinion, work smart could be, let's just say, what is happening with us. Working smart would have been carrying extra, cables,
Yes.
remembering what we have to bring.
Don't take shots at me.
Yeah, working smart would be wrecking, would be going around finding spots to shoot so we don't end up in a Belgian waffle. That
I
is
hate it
working
here.
smart. What is working hard is what we're doing right now. We're
Yes.
working extremely hard.
This is working hard.
I believe that quote also undersells work. It makes you think that if you're working hard without using your brain, you are in the wrong. I don't think so.
It's just same. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I think working hard is good. It's a good thing.
Good
Why is
thing.
it a bad thing? I don't understand.
I think the saying goes as if it is telling you to find an easier solution to your problems. Working smart is an easier solution. Let's say about exams. A working smart fellow, when it comes to exams, would probably just study the ones that are carrying more marks.
Yeah, that's working smart.
Yeah, and working hard is studying as much as you can.
I mean, marks तो दोनों को मिल रहे हैं.
Marks
What
दोनों
the
को
point?
मिलने वाले. You will just congratulate the smart person, not the hard person. And that's the toxic culture I'm talking about. I feel like we are not prioritizing working hard either. We are always finding reasons of saying that we should work smart. We should also work hard. But how hard is obviously a limit. There's a limit to that. For what we are going through right now. If this gets pulled off this episode, this would be a saying we will say to so many people.
Yes, actually, if this were, I mean, it's not a if situation. It has to work.
It has to work, to be honest. We are at a
We need some
situation.
sleep.
It is a situation where a lot of corporate people might find them where you are just up in a corner. You have to get it done, right?
Yes.
So this things that we are doing right now, we have to get it done. It is our project for college as much as it is our passion project. And I feel like today I cannot sleep if this episode is not aired, right?
Yes. Like this has to air right now.
I feel like we have that privilege as it's also tied to a passion. Let's talk about corporate people. Do you think it's tied to their passion? Oh God, मेरा report नहीं खत्म हुआ है रात का, boss को क्या दूँ?
I mean, for them, maybe money is important.
Yes.
It's that their passion is money. For us, our work is money.
Yeah.
Our work is important to us.
Yeah.
Our work is passion. It's not wrong to think about money. I mean, maybe for them having a good house, that's passion.
Yeah.
कि कोई भी form से आ रहा है, पैसे आना is important.
Yeah.
They are happy, and I
Got
think
it.
they are happy making money. They are happy seeing our work going through.
Got it.
I think our definition of success is different to them.
Yeah.
For them, having success is having a good house, having good money, having a good car. For us, maybe we also want money, but it's not our end goal. Our end goal is to see our work go through.
Yes.
To see other people see our work.
Yes.
Our work actually happening in front of our eyes. I think
Got
that's
it.
important. That's
That
success
is
to us.
that is very much important. As you were talking about so much work, let's talk about burnout. Burnout. Oh God, because we're
We were
gonna get
talking
into
about it earlier.
Yeah, we were talking about it in episode 2. Burnout, man, burnout. It just affects people so badly. I think it's a mental and physical thing, right?
Yes, absolutely.
You can mentally be burnt out, you can be physically burnt out. Depends on your job, really. Let's just say you're doing construction work, you can be physically burnt out. But doing what we are right now, physically, we just need liquid and food
Yes.
to run. But mentally,
Mentally,
we are,
creative is dead,
it's dead.
and that's sad actually.
And that is very sad about how it goes about people life. So this is where rest comes in. Rest is very important when you are working. Rest is important for everybody, nonetheless,
Any
if they're
profession,
working.
if you're working, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. It's physical labor or it's mental labor.
If it's creative labor, irrational, emotional labor, some people have to do therapy too. They're therapists. They need rest. Everybody
I need
requires rest. I feel like we are not giving importance to rest because in our toxic culture that has been created,
it's very important.
it treats rest as if that it's a weakness.
Yes, I don't think why. I think अगर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मैं अभी थका हुआ हूँ, मेरे से अच्छी क्रिएटिव चीज प्रोड्यूस नहीं हो रही, व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ वर्किंग हार्ड कि मैं अच्छा कंटेंट ही दे रहा हूँ. इट्स बेट. मैंने लोगों बोलते हुए देखा है कि मैं रात को पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं सुबह उठ के पढ़ रहा हूँ. लाइक दैट्स द टाइम मैं सबसे ज्यादा मेंटली थका हुआ हूँ.
हाँ.
व्हाई टू पुश योरसेल्फ.
Yes.
दोपहर दी हुई पढ़ने की, तब पढ़ लो. व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ वेकिंग अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग.
Yeah.
तो कंटेंट अच्छा आने ही नहीं वाला मेरे से. अगर मैं रात को बैठ के कुछ क्रिएटिव करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, मेरे लिए रात का टाइम नहीं है. मेरे को दोपहर को काम करना अच्छा लगता है. बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट.
So that's when rest comes in,
Yes.
right?
I think rest is very important. अगर rest, without rest, like I don't think अच्छा कंटेंट हमसे निकलेगा अभी.
Sure, for sure. Yeah.
क्रिएटिविटी डेड नहीं होनी चाहिए. लाइक ऑफिस पे लोग बैठे रहते हैं, पूरा टाइम वर्क करते रहते हैं. आई थिंक उनकी क्रिएटिविटी डेड हो जाती है.
हाँ.
ऑफ कोर्स अगर कोई मैथ रिलेटेड चीज है तो हाँ यू कैन.
Yeah, for sure.
I think rest is very important.
Rest
And
is
yes, you were
important.
right कि we very much undermine rest and we think that is a weakness. I don't think it is a weakness.
Yeah,
It is a
sure.
plus point if you could manage yourself, your time very well.
Yeah. As we were talking about younger generation in episode 2, I'm very glad that as youth we are giving rest a lot of, let's just say spotlight.
Yeah, I think Gen Z के बाद this is work culture ज़्यादा सुधरा है, that we are very
Yeah.
laid back. We are not
Yes.
pushing ourselves too much to burn out, and
That
we're enjoying
really
the process.
pisses off people in higher positions and older generations. They're not working hard. How many articles have you been sent or just seen about how it says Gen Zs are not working?
Yeah, exactly. Like they are angry that we are happy living our lives. Of course, for them, the definition of success is different. For them, is like having security, having a big house, big cars,
Yeah.
their own house.
Yeah.
For Gen Z is like they're like हम मरने ही वाले. Why to buy this thing? Why to work hard so much?
Yes.
They're enjoying lives, and it's okay. It's okay for the old people also if they are working hard. They want to have a house. It's
Yeah.
okay for them to think.
Yes.
There is no problem in having a खुद का घर.
Yeah.
for Gen Z, it's not the priority for them. Their priority is to explore, to enjoy, be happy, be creative. That's their passion. That's their definition of success. Then I think we should just stick to what we like instead of just badgering each other.
Yes, definitely. So get your rest, guys. Get your rest. I know we both are gonna go home and sleep.
Oh yeah.
So good, man. And it's winter.
Yeah.
फूलों का कंबल लो.
सुबह की जरूरत नहीं. I mean सुबह तो आना ही पड़ेगा edit करना. We have to edit this.
College भी है.
Sad, oh my god.
A lot. So, in the end, what is the meaning of working so hard and resting? What is the meaning that we get off of this? What is the meaning of our life personally? Is it work?
I think it depends person to person. Like for me, I love what I do, at least for now.
Yeah.
I love what I do. I love filming. I love editing. I love doing these things. I love producing. I'm enjoying doing this.
Yeah.
So I'm happy. I'm happy from my work.
Yeah.
My work gives me pleasure.
Yeah.
The money, maybe yes, of course.
Yes.
But my passion is this. So this makes me happy. For some person, like work is not very enjoyable.
Yeah.
Like for some people, they love studying.
Yes.
Enjoy studying. For some people, they don't like it.
Yeah.
It depends. Like for me, work is happiness. For you, it might not be happiness. Right? Work be tiring.
The meaning of it all also depends upon, as you said, the way people think about it. In my opinion, I think the meaning of our self of life is to serve others, obviously. We are doing this, we're serving Nilesh sir's, assignment deadline. We are serving the college's required, assignment because it's gonna go in the marks. And we're also serving viewers and readers. We're serving all the listeners.
And we're enjoying this thing.
Yeah, we're serving each other company, by the way. We're gonna just staying together. So life, in my opinion, is about serving one another. So that is the true meaning. But work and rest teaches us that no matter what the meaning is, if it is truly serving one another, we should work to it to a certain extent, to the point we don't get burnt out, to the point that we can get rest. Sometimes I don't want to be in company of other people. Sometimes I don't want to do an assignment on time.
Burnout. जब तूने burnout के बारे में बोला, सबने clicked me कि burnout. It depends if you like the burnout. For right now, we are like tired. We are really tired. We are mentally, physically, our shoulders hurt by taking so much stuff. We are tired.
Yeah.
But we're enjoying this, to be very honest. At least I am enjoying this.
I am enjoying this as much as.
Of course, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. But I'm enjoying this burnout. If you're burning out and you're not enjoying it, maybe the work is not for you. And you're not happy.
We can connect this to our today's experience about how we went through so many trials. That is our work. We went through so much trying out, so much missing out, to be honest, on things that we should have gotten done way before. But in the end, we know our mind is set off to that rest. We know that we are just gonna get that rest. Nonetheless, I think that comes of the fact that we are Gen Zs. I feel like if this is the older generation, it would be like, hum ghar pe rahoga, editing kar luga. It's like, I can give myself that let's go and sleep and get that
I can
rest.
do it tomorrow.
I think
that's the fun part of being creative. Like, we don't have boundaries a lot.
Yeah.
Of course, we have deadlines, but उस deadline के बीच में we are not कि मैं आज ये खत्म कर कल ये खत्म कर. We can change it a bit, and it's nice.
Yeah, so
that's a privilege.
I think in conclusion, no matter how creative, no matter how physical, no matter how redundant your work is, if it's just writing reports or writing a script, who knows? If it is just turning in some documents, or it is turning in an entire graph that you had to draw, turning in charts that you had to draw, it doesn't matter really. If you're a college student, college students are working no matter if they're employed or unemployed. People think that work is only for the employed. It's really not. Work is for everybody. Everybody has to work someday, and it is inevitable, as it's in the title. It's an inevitable thing. May it not be 9 to 5. We both hope that tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as in the future, we don't want to do the 9 to 5 really.
Exactly. I can't. I literally can't do 9 to 5.
Yeah.
I'd rather be homeless.
We will treat our 9 to 5 as at 9 we pick up the camera, at 5 we are done as recording. That would be our 9 to 5 per se.
That's fun.
And your 9 to 5 can be anything else. Your 9 to 5 can be at 9 I'll pick up the paper, and at 5 I'll be done with the script. 9 to 5 can be anything. Don't let it be constrained to a corporate setting. That is my say too. And in conclusion, meaning of life and meaning of work is that it's...
I mean, if you're not happy with your work, if you're working in a job, in a business, business,
Yeah.
you are mostly going to do it for like what 30-40 years of your life.
Yeah.
So find something that you actually enjoy.
Yeah.
You enjoy burning out. You should find something like that, because in the long run you're not gonna be happy.
Yeah.
And you're not gonna be enjoying it. And you're gonna get burn out easily. So yeah, I think finding something you love and connecting it with work is the most amazing thing you can do. Like because I enjoy filming. I feel enjoying filming like for as a work and as my passion. So I'm enjoying the burnouts. So yeah.
So yeah,
That was a
I
monologue.
feel like do the work, get your rest, and forget the meaning. You don't need to chase that. Do your work, get your love straight, what you want to do, your passion straight. Do that and get your well-deserved rest. Everybody get your well-deserved
Everybody
rest.
deserves rest.
Everybody deserves rest. Some people don't have the privilege of a bed. Let's keep that in mind. Some people don't have privilege of rest either. And I want everyone to have that small privilege. Like, chalo sone mil raha hai. Chalo, I can
Sleep is
days
that
off.
sleep तो हर इंसान का हक है.
Yeah,
And like
yeah.
sleep सबको मिलती है.
Sleep सबको मिलते हैं. And rest can be anything. Go play BGMI. Go watch a YouTube video or watch a series.
हाँ,
Go,
actually you can do anything.
go listen to K-pop songs. Go listen to Taylor Swift. Go listen to Kanye. Who
Yeah.
cares? Do what you love. Do what gives you rest. जाके तुम्हारे भाइयों के साथ खेल लो, बहनों के साथ खेल लो.
Just don't do drugs.
Yeah, that is not me rest.
That is not-
drugs are not
Oh
rest.
my
Smokes
God.
are not. Smoking is not a rest. And Londiabazi also is not a rest. Get your life straight.
Yeah, sure. If you can do it, do it.
If that's the meaning of your life, then we are nothing to say. If that's your
We are
work,
not promoting it, okay?
we are not promoting it. But if that's your work, एक बार लौंडियाबाजी से भी रेस्ट ले लो. So that will be the end of episode 3. I really hope.
Hopefully we were audible.
Yeah, hopefully we reached
और इस
your
बार हमारा कोई
hearts.
crazy outro नहीं होने वाला like last
Crazy
time.
outro नहीं होना. It's night. It's Belgian waffles.
Okay, it's chill. It was a chill
So,
thing.
I was gonna say go get yourself a waffle, but I'm free advertising नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
चलो.
You will.
You Belgian waffles.
All right.